Shaniel Buckley, Jamaica's next football star. They talk about Jamaican women's football like it just started winning. That's not true. It's reloading. Meet Shaniel Buckley. Born in Portmore, Jamaica, midfielder, leader, difference maker, at Excelsior High, she stood out early, not just skill but vision. That talent took her to Jamaica's under-17 and under-20 national teams. Then she made a bold move. She left home for the United States, and in 2025, she took over, 23 goals, 10 assists. Led Daytona State College to back-to-back national championships. National Tournament MVP, Most Valuable Offensive Player. Big moments? She delivered, including championship-winning goals. Now she's headed to Florida State University, one of the top programs in the NCAA. The dream hasn't changed. World Cup, Reggae Girlz, Jamaica. From Portmore to the world stage, Shaniel Buckley is next. Follow for more Jamaican excellence.